www.gigabyte.com. This is the official website of Gigabyte. So then you have to come to this website. After that you can see here search button, so click on and type your motherboard model number, which is H810MH, and hit enter. Then click to product. You can see 810 to click. Then click to support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. If you are using different operating system, means I am making video on Windows 11, but you are using Windows 10, so no worry, installations process same. You can watch this video and install one by one, same installation process. Okay. First, audio driver. Click on download. Wait few seconds, it will start. Downloading is started. Wait few seconds, it will complete. After that, here. After that, you can see here, just single click, and this is exe of your setup. So double click to launch. Otherwise, you can extract. Right click. You can see here, select and extract to any, and then after that you can install it. So this is simple method. You just directly double click to launch and then click to yes. You can see here now, this is when you install, try to install, so you can extract automatically. So that is a great way to install driver. Do not try to extract and lock. Sometimes you're getting some issues, and that's mean you can extract. So now you can see audio driver. Now you can then install it and then close this. Chipset driver. So download first one. Click here. You can see here it is already download. It is done. Then just single click to open this downloaded file, and this is actual driver in this. So double click. Now you can see extract. Then click to yes. It is closed, and then click to close. It is done. LAN driver. Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. Then it is downloaded LAN driver. Click to download. Just double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extract data. and it is done, and then close it. VGA, and click to download. Then click this VGA driver, and just double click to exe file. Then click to yes. Now you can see graphic card driver is it is installing. Then it is done, and close it.